ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 5th ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಲಿಜಿಯಸ್ ರಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರಿಂದ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಈ ಸಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ 40 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ವೈಸ್ MCQ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಲೆಸನಿಂದ ಬರುವಂಥ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ MCQ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. First question is, which century is considered as the Reformation and New Awakening time in the history of India? Options are the 18th century, the 19th century, the 16th century and the 15th century. The right answer is the 19th century. It is considered as the Reformation and New Awakening time in the history of India. Let's see the next question. What is white man's burden to civilize Indian as a civilized class of people, to provide facilities, to protect their political and economic interest, and reforming the society? Answer is to civilize Indian as a civilized class of people. See, British believed that it is their duty to civilize Indian as a civilized class of the people. So for this question, answer is option A. Now let's see the next question. Who started Atmiya Sabha? Options are Rajaram Mohan Rai, Gandhiji, then Periyar and Annie Besant. Answer is Rajaram Mohan Rai. Rajaram Mohan Rai and his friends established this Atmiya Sabha to mainly eradicating socio-religious maladies from the society of Bengal. Okay, let's see next question. Who started Brahma Samaj? Options are Swami Vivekananda, Dayananda Saraswati, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule and Rajaram Mohan Rai. Answer is Rajaram Mohan Rai. Next question. When was Brahma Samaj started? Options are 1829, 1828, 1830, 1849. Right answer is 1828. Next question. Name the journal published by Rajaram Mohan Rai. Options Gulamgiri, New India, Samvada Kaumudi, Satyartha Prakasha. Answer Samvada Kaumudi. ಇವರು ಪತ್ರಿಕೋದ್ಯಮದ ಮೂಲಕ ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವೈಚಾರಿಕತೆಯನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನದಿಂದ ಬಂಗಾಳಿ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂವಾದ ಕೌಮುದಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಆರಂಭಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಹೂ ಪ್ರಾಹಿಬಿಟೆಡ್ ಸತಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಜನರಲ್ ವಿಲಿಯಂ ಬೆಂಟಿಂಗ್, ರಾಜಾರಾಮ್ ಮೋಹನ್ ರಾಯ್, ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಕಾರ್ನ್ವಾಲಿಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾರನ್ ಹೇಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ವಿಲಿಯಂ ಬೆಂಟಿಂಗ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. When was sati system prohibited? 1828. Next option 1829, 1825, 1826. Right answer 1829. In the year sati system prohibited. Let's see next question. Raja Ram Mohan Rai as the harbinger of modern India, progenitor of Indian social reformation movement and the prophet of Indian nationalism. Who said this? Options are Rabindranath Tagore, Mahatma Gandhi, Gopal Krishna Gokhale and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Answer Rabindranath Tagore. Next question. Who started Young Bengal movement? Option Henry Louis Vivian Direzio, Annie Besant, R.J. Bhandarkar, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Right option is Henry Louis Vivian Direzio. Next question. Who started Arya Samaj? Dayananda Saraswati, Dr. Atmaram Panduranga, Rajaram Mohan Rai, Jyotiba Phule. Right answer Dayananda Saraswati. Next question is, who started Academic Association in 1828? Rajaram Mohan Rai, Annie Besant, R.J. Bhandarkar, Henry Louis Vivian Direzio. Right answer Henry Louis Vivian Direzio. For the purpose of Free Thinking Debate Association, mainly to create new thinking across Bengal. That's why this academic association established in the year 1828. Let's see next question. What was the other name of Dayananda Saraswati? Options are Moola Shankar, Amba Shankar, Rama Shankar and N.G. Chandra Warkar. Right option Moola Shankar. Next question. Who are the parents of Dayananda Saraswati? Options are Amba Shankar Tiwari and Amrita Bai, Ramji and Bhima Bai, Putali Bai and Karma Chand, and Vishwanath and Bhuvaneshwari. Right answer Amba Shankar Tiwari and Amrita Bai. Let's see next question. Name the book of Dayananda Saraswati. Satyartha Prakasha, Commonwealth, then Samvada Kaumudi and Gulamgiri. Right answer Satyartha Prakasha. ಇವರು 21ನೇ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಮನೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸುಮಾರು 15 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ದೇಶಾದ್ಯಂತ ಸಂಚರಿಸಿ ನಂತರ ತಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಆಲೋಚನಾ ಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಈ ಸತ್ಯಾರ್ಥ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ ಎಂಬಂತ ಗ್ರಂಥದಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. Which was one of the important programs of Arya Samaj? Options are Shuddhi Movement, Prohibiting Sati System, Back to Vedas, Cow Protection Association. Right answer Shuddhi Movement. This movement he started mainly to reconversion of people who had converted to Islam and even Christianity from Hinduism. That's why to bring them back to Hinduism, so started this main program. Next question. Which radical leader of Indian freedom movement was influenced by the principles of Arya Samaj? Options are Lal Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandrapal, Bala Gangadhar Tilak and Dadabhai Naoroji. Right answer Lal Lajpat Rai. Next question. When was Dayananda Anglo-Vedic College started? Option 1886, 1876, 1856, 1896. Right answer 1886. Next question. Where was Gurukula Vidyalaya started? Options are Haridwara, Almora, then West Bengal, Bombay. Right answer Haridwara. Let's see next question. Who was the founder of Prarthana Samaj? Options are Dayananda Saraswati, Dr. Atmaram Panduranga, Rajaram Mohan Rai, Mahatma Jyoti Bapule. Right answer Dr. Atmaram Panduranga. Next question. Who started Satya Shodhak Samaj? Options are Mahatma Jyoti Bapule, Dr. Atmaram Panduranga, Rajaram Mohan Rai, Dayananda Saraswati. Right answer Mahatma Jyoti Bapule. Next question is, which are the books of Jyoti Bapule? Satyartha Prakasha, Commonwealth, Samvada Kaumudi, Gulamgiri and Shetkarya Cha Asud. Right answer Gulamgiri and Shetkarya Cha Asud. Let's see next question. Who started Aligarh Reformation movement? Options are Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Right answer Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Let's move to next question. Who founded Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College in Aligarh? Options are Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Right answer Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Let's see the next question. When was Mohammedan Literary Society established? Options are 1863, 1864, 1962, 1965. Right answer 1863. Next one. Who founded Ramakrishna Mission? Swami Vivekananda, Dayananda Saraswati, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Jyoti Bapule. Right answer Swami Vivekananda was founded Ramakrishna Mission. Let's see next question. Who was the guru of Swami Vivekananda? Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, V.D. Savarkar and Aurobindo Ghosh. Right answer Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. He was the guru of Swami Vivekananda. Let's see next question. Why was Ramakrishna Mission founded? To carry the message and thoughts of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, to reform a society, to declare the value of individual self-respect and to protect human values. Right answer to carry the message and thoughts of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. That's why Ramakrishna Mission was founded. Let's see next question. Where was the Ramakrishna Mission founded? Option Belur near Calcutta, Uttarakhand, Bombay and Madras. Right answer Belur near Calcutta. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರವರು 1897ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ಕತ್ತಾದ ಈ ಬಳಿ ಬೇಲೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಆಶ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ವೆನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ರಿಲಿಜಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಡ್? at Chicago City in 1893, Uttarakhand in 1894, Bombay in 1899, Madras in 1997. Right answer at Chicago City in 1893. Next one is, who founded Theosophical Society? Madam Blavatsky and Colonel H.S. Olcott. Then Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, then Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Right answer Madam Blavatsky and Colonel H.S. Olcott. Next question, where is the head office of Theosophical Society? Options are Adyar, West Bengal, Bombay, Gujarat. Right answer Adyar. ಮದ್ರಾಸಿನ ಹತ್ತಿರವಿರುವಂತಹ ಆಡ್ಯಾರ್ ಎಂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರ ಒಂದು ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಕಚೇರಿಯನ್ನ 1886ರಲ್ಲಿ ಆರಂಭಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. Another question is, who was called as Shweta Saraswati? Options are Annie Besant, Amrita Bai, Madam Blavatsky and Colonel H.S. Olcott. Right answer Annie Besant. Next one, name the periodicals of Annie Besant. Options are Satyartha Prakasha, New India and Commonwealth, then Samvada Kaumudi, Gulamgiri. Right answer New India and Commonwealth. Next one, who started Central Hindu College at Banaras in 1898? Annie Besant, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Right answer Annie Besant. Next one, what is the aim of Sri Narayana Dharma Paripalana Yogam? Options are at strengthening backward and exploited communities, to reform a society, to declare the value of individual self-respect and to protect human values. Right answer at strengthening backward and exploited communities. This is the main aim of Sri Narayana Dharma Paripalana Yogam. Let's see next question. Who started Sri Narayana Dharma Paripalana Yogam in year 1903? Options are Sri Narayana Guru, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, V.D. Savarkar and Aurobindo Ghosh. Right answer Sri Narayana Guru. Who started Vaikam Satyagraha movement in 1924? Options are Narayana Guru and his companions, Periyar and Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and V.D. Savarkar, Chandrasekhar Azad and Aurobindo Ghosh. Right answer Narayana Guru and his companions. Next one, what is Vaikam Satyagraha movement? A temple entry movement to live without basic human rights, to protect backward communities, to improve backward communities. Right answer, it is a temple entry movement. Who started self-respect movement? E.V. Ramaswamy Nair, then Narayana Guru, Mahatma Gandhiji, T.M. Nair. Answer E.V. Ramaswamy Nair. Next one, who started Dravida Kalagam, otherwise Kazagam? Options are E.V. Ramaswamy Nair, then Narayana Guru, Rajaram Mohan Rai, Jyoti Bapule. Right answer E.V. Ramaswamy Nair. Next one, who became the president of Justice Party in 1939? Sri Narayana Guru, Annie Besant, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Periyar. Right answer Periyar. Another question is, when was Self-Respect League started? Options are 1926, 1924, 1925, 1929. Right answer 1926. Next question, who is popularly known as Periyar? E.V. Ramaswamy Nair, then Sri Narayana Guru, T.M. Nair, then R.J. Bhandarkar. Right answer E.V. Ramaswamy Nair. Another question, where was Congress of Religion held? Options are Paris, Calcutta, Madras, Bombay. Right answer at Paris. Next question is, why Annie Besant was called as Shweta Saraswati? Options are translating Bhagavad Gita to English, translating Bhagavad Gita to Greek, then translating Quran to English, then translating Bible to English. Right answer translating Bhagavad Gita to English. Next question is, who started Home Rule League in the year 1916? Annie Besant, Mahatma Gandhi, Bala Gangadhar Tilak, Bhagat Singh. Right answer Annie Besant. Another question is, Who became the first woman president of Indian National Congress? Options are Annie Besant, Sarojini Naidu, Indira Gandhi, Madam Blavatsky. Right answer Annie Besant. Next question is, who initiated home rule movement in Madras region? Options are Madam Blavatsky, Raj Bihari Ghosh, Balagangadhar Tilak and Annie Besant. Right answer Annie Besant. Next one, who did not support Parda system? Options are Annie Besant, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan and Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Right answer Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Next one, which branch of Ramakrishna Math established at Mayavati near Almora of Uttarakhand? Options Advaita Ashrama, Kali Mandir, Sabarmati Ashrama, Dvaita Ashrama. Right answer Advaita Ashrama. Let's see next question. Who believed that people should be educated first and then they themselves seek reformation? Options are Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Mahatma Gandhi ji, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Right answer Swami Vivekananda. Next question is, who had visited Mysore before his visit to Chicago as a guest of Chamaraja Wadiyar 10? Options are Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Mahatma Gandhi ji, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Right answer Swami Vivekananda. Next question is, who founded Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College in Aligarh? Options are Jatin Das, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Mahatma Gandhi ji, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Right answer Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Another question, one has to attain moksha through dhyana and bhakti. Who said this? Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Mahatma Gandhi ji, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Right answer Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Next one, who was the worshipper of Kali and also a priest at Calcutta Kali Mandir? Options are Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Sri Narayana Guru and Periyar. Right answer Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Let's move to next question. Who attracted the attention of the listeners while speaking at Congress of Religion held at Paris in the year 1900? Options are Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Khudiram Bose, then Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Right answer Swami Vivekananda. Next one, who believed that Congress is in favor of Varna system? Options are Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Mahatma Gandhi ji, Periyar. Right answer Periyar. Next one, who started a new movement based Dravida radical identity? Options are Swami Vivekananda, Sri Narayana Guru, N.G. Chandravarkar and Periyar E.V. Ramaswamy. Right answer Periyar E.V. Ramaswamy. Another question is, name the movement which started in the beginning of 20th century in South India. Options are non-Brahmin movement, Vaikam movement, self-respect movement and reformation movement. Right answer non-Brahmin movement. Another question, who has the basic idea of one caste, one religion and one God for human beings? Options are Swami Vivekananda, Sri Narayana Guru, N.G. Chandravarkar and Periyar. Right answer Sri Narayana Guru. Next question, who said that Tamil is language of Dravidians? Options are Swami Vivekananda, Sri Narayana Guru, N.G. Chandravarkar, Periyar Ramaswamy. Right answer Periyar Ramaswamy. Another question is, who remains as an ideological symbol in Tamil Nadu politics even today? Options are C. Ayodhya Das Pandit, then Sri Narayana Guru, N.G. Chandravarkar, Periyar E.V. Ramaswamy. Right answer Periyar E.V. Ramaswamy. Next question, who participated in temple entry movement in 1924 held at Vaikam of Kerala? Options are Swami Vivekananda, Sri Narayana Guru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Periyar. Right answer Periyar. Next one, who opposed Sanskrit language and literature? Options are T.M. Nair, Sri Narayana Guru, N.G. Chandravarkar, Periyar E.V. Ramaswamy. Right answer Periyar E.V. Ramaswamy. Next question, who influenced by the police principles? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Sri Narayana Guru, N.G. Chandravarkar, Mahatma Gandhi ji. Right answer Dr. B.R. Ambedkar influenced by the Mahatma Jyoti Bapule's principles. Let's see next question. Where was Arya Samaj started? Options are Bombay, Bihar, Madras, West Bengal. Right answer Bombay. Another question is, who opened the head office of Arya Samaj at Lahore in 1877? Options are Swami Vivekananda, Dayananda Saraswati, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Mahatma Jyoti Bapule. Right answer Dayananda Saraswati. Next one, who popularized Prarthana Samaj? M.G. Ranade, R.G. Bhandarkar, Sri Narayana Guru, T.M. Nair. Right answer M.G. Ranade. Another question is, why Dayananda Saraswati declared back to Vedas? Remedies to the various maladies of India are present in Vedas. To live without basic human rights, to protect backward communities, to improve backward communities. Right answer, remedies to the various maladies of India are present in Vedas. Okay students, practice this all the important question and answers. We will continue our classes with the new questions. Till then, take care.